a true life story. Most times I take time listening carefully to people who failed severally. Not because I want to fail, but to study and detect the reasons why they've always failed. Learn and apply a bypass when I come in contact with those signs, and also carry them along if they wish to follow up. I've studied life deeply and come up with a divine knowledge that proved with all indications that every man passes through same challenge, but in different dimensions. Don't be deceived. We all face same challenges, no matter the status, big or small, but in different dimensions. Help one another and be a reason why someone around you smile. Because it brings smiles also upon the face of God, heaven, nature, and all unseen. Apply humility and make kindness a natural thing in you. Not minding what people say, but acknowledge the realistic fact that you can't please everyone. Just stay focused on your ambition, living your life as simple as you can, and doing the best you can towards humanity. Have a right standing with your Creator, then watch and see things around you change for best. Copyright of the Angelic Sounds records. It's a word for the wise. Follow for more.